Yo, great. So welcome back to the channel once again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get into a competition and win a $5,000 account for yourself. And this $5,000 you are going to win is a account, okay? And it's a demo or simulated capital. Every pro firm deal with simulated capital, not real fund. You only need to trade and show your trading skill in order to get reward for it. So without being said, let me show you the step-by-step way you can go through this simple competition to win $5,000 account in simulated capital. Okay, let's get started. So if you're not interested with competition, then this particular update is not for you. But remember, this is publicly available. You can go and do your own research about it before engaging with them. Okay, so what to do first is to go to any browser of your choice and then type in Rebels Funding. Okay, and then hit enter. And then you have to go with the first link here. Okay, so when you go with the first link, it will take you to this page right here. So if you're on this page, then you are at the right place. Good. So quickly, you just have to come to this menu at the top right corner here, where you have to click on it and select competition. So I'm going to take you through the competition rules and then how you can go straight and register with it. So this is a January competition that is going to start on the 1st of January. Trading is going to start. So it's left with some number of days for this to start quickly. So you can just come here and read about the competition conditions. So you just click on conditions and then it will take you to a new page where you have to read about these conditions. Okay, so here is about the competition and why to participate. Okay, so these are the page that shows, or this is the page that shows the competition's condition. who can who can participate? Anyone who has reached the age of 18 or older. Okay, fill out the registration form, uh possesses at least one required KYC document for winner verification. Okay, can I have multiple accounts? Each trader can register for a specific competition once. Okay, so for every month, if the competition is available, you can register once. Registration, that one we all know about it. How is the winner determined? The winner and the ranking of traders are determined based on the profit, okay, generated on the competition account. Okay, so you can come and read about all this, but what is needed now is the prices or accounts which are allocated to the prices. It's going to surprise you when you see the number of people that are going to win an account from this. So let's check on that from 1 to where I think 150th position. So first position, you are going to get 320,000 copper program, okay, which is account for them. Second, 160,000, and then third, 80,000. Okay, so fourth to 10th position, they are going to get 40,000 copper program. 11 to 20th, they are going to get 20,000 copper program. 21st to 50th place, 10,000 copper program, and then 51st to 150th position, we are going to earn 5,000 program. So this is where our aim is, to end around or rank around 51st to 150th position, to be around the 5,000 program. That is the minimum one. So that is our target. So let's trade house, show our trading skill, and then win this. So how do you register? Quickly, just come here, come up a bit. Only 4,400 people have signed up already. So it's left with 8 days. So you just have to click here and then you go straight to register. Very, very, very simple. So you put in your name, every single thing, but remember to do your own research and understand them before engage with them. This video is for entertainment and educational purpose only. I'm not in partnership with them. I only do research and update you on where the informations are. So this is what I have for you guys today. Goodbye and see you tomorrow on another update. Remember, I drop video on this channel every single day. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I share more updates there. The link is under the video description.